Let's learn about aliasing in SQL. So begin by writing select and the column that you need. So in this case, we need the name of the company, the category code, which we are going to rename it as just category, and you can use the AS function to do that. The country code, which we'll rename it to just country, and then the funding total USD as just funding. Mention the from table, just this, and restrict it to the first 5 rows. Select this and let's run this query. You'll see that now you have renamed the columns in the output as name, category, country, and funding. Remember that this does not change anything within the database. This just changes the name in the output of the columns.